It's finally time to start covering the aircraft. So, putting flesh on the bones. So, this was where we went to buy the metal plates we used in wrapping the aircraft. This is Iyanopaja. If you are in Lagos, you'd be familiar with the name or familiar with the market. It's a popular market in Lagos, Iyanopaja. So, we had to consider sheets of plate that were malleable, for us to use in doing our work comfortably. So after buying the plate, we had to, iron out the whole frame and make sure that there wasn't any rough place, so that the metal sheet can lie plainly and smooth on the frame, to prevent any rough, we just needed our work to be neat. So we had to, file out the whole frame. So we began the work, laying the covers sheet by sheet on every segment. It was a very slow process, but we had to go with it. I also had to get some extra hands because this work was already taking too long, and at this point I needed assistance because the work was too much. So for one person it will be a lot of load. So yeah, for us to finish this aircraft early, so I just had to get someone to assist me, to join me, a welder. So guys, wrapping the wings. You see, most of these things we don't usually know what or how to go about it until we start or begin the process. When you begin the process, answers will come. The way to go about it will definitely come, will definitely show up. So this was how we wrapped the wing. I wrapped the wing with two about four sheets of metal. I didn't really anticipate the result I got because honestly the shape of this wing was against the laws, honestly, but in the end the effort was actually worth it because it actually came out better than I expected. Smooth, streamlined, and the curve was even. So guys, it was just it was just really nice, and the experience was good. Yeah, so the effort was actually worth it because we were actually quite pedantic about everything we were doing. Hey guys, Alpha. So basically, we are still on the Reaper project. This is the aircraft here. It's actually upside down because we are covering the bottom of the aircraft right now. And also, guys, we've also covered the wing, but there are some little details that needs to be added to the wing so it can look perfect. And also, I had a welder and a professional fabricator to assist me in the work because the work was taking longer than expected. So this is the tail of the aircraft. This is the V tail, and this is the inverted tail and the wings of the aircraft.